Alright, in the 2-minute series, I'm going to talk about the differences between declaration and definition, a concept that often confuses the beginners. Yes, this is worth discussing and we will go through it. On the left hand side, you see a declaration, extern int count. A declaration tells the compiler what something is, that is the type and name. But interestingly, it does not actually allocate memory or give it a value. Think of it like a guest list for a party. The name is on the list, so you know the person exists, but they have not shown up yet. So remember that. On the right side, you see a definition. Int count is equal to 10. A definition creates the thing. Yes, it allocates memory and often initializes it. This is like the person actually showing up at the party. Now the space is taken and the value is real. The same rule applies for the functions as well. A function prototype is a declaration, while the function body is a definition. So, to make it in a very simple way, declaration is like a promise. Compiler is told it exists. Definition is like fulfillment. The memory and implementation is provided. Just like in real life, a name on a list does not make a party. People arriving actually does it. So I hope you understood, and thank you very much for following the content of the channel. I'll come up with another video very shortly. Thank you.